Russia has started an intensive advertising campaign to encourage India to buy the latest version of the Pantsir anti-aircraft systems with full technical adaptation to India's requirement along with an effective service network, and it was offered during the intensive negotiations on the purchase of 33 new fighter jets during the recent visit of the Indian Defence Minister to Moscow. Russia has offered to transfer technology by transferring the production of some system components, but there was no mention of transferring the ability to design and manufacture anti-aircraft missiles. The 30 km range Pantsir-S2 can work together with the batteries of S400 system, but it is to be noted that the Russian Pantsir-S1 recently proved to be useless against Turkish tactical multipurpose unmanned aerial systems. This offer also comes at a time when India's $2.5 billion procurement of 104 South Korean K-30 is currently stuck, after Russia strongly protested the selection of a South Korean manufacturer and sought a re-evaluation of its Pantsir system, and also claimed that it was unfairly disqualified. China is in the process of supplying 4 armed drones to Pakistan, which can be armed with 12 air-to-surface missiles, and this has again renewed India's interest to procure 30 Predator-B drones from the US. India plans to buy 30 drones for 3 services, and as the Indian Navy has a requirement of an unarmed naval variant, but national security planners feel that due to the prohibitive cost of the unmanned aerial vehicle, it would be better that the drone can do both surveillance and targeting operations. The wingspan of the new Predator-B variant has been increased to 25.6 meters, which has increased its carrying capacity to 1,360 kilograms, and the flight endurance is increased to 36 hours. The chairman of Hindustan Aeronautics has said that almost all the defense projects, including the recently cleared Su-30 fighters and advanced light helicopters, have been affected by the current situation. There is a problem in getting material from Russia for Su-30 repair and overhaul, and engine material for the advanced light helicopter is stuck in France due to the closure of international freight services. 16 Tejas fighter jets have to be delivered to the Indian Air Force by March 2021, and at present 1 aircraft is fully ready, and 5 fighter jets are on the assembly line. He also said that the second production line is almost completed, and after the order for 83 Tejas Mark 1A fighters is placed, the manufacturing capacity will be increased to 16 units per year. A Turkish news agency has said that Turkey has tested its S400 systems 3 times against American stealth aircraft, and not only the American F-35, but also more classified F-22 fighters had appeared in the detection range of the S400 systems. The US Air Force had sent its 5th-generation fighters in the Middle East through the Black Sea, approximately 200 kilometers from a Turkish Air Force base, which gave the Turkish side a great opportunity to test the S400 system. As per latest media reports, India and China have pulled back troops by 2 kilometers in the Gal-wan Valley, and the Chinese army was seen removing tents and structures at the patrolling point 14, and a buffer zone has been created between the troops of both sides, but India will validate if this is a lasting and genuine disengagement. Interestingly, this development comes only 3 days after the visit of Prime Minister Modi to a forward post in the region. The Indian Army is all set to place an order for extreme cold weather tents for the 30,000 soldiers deployed in the sector.